everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that's affecting the whole planet, climate change. You've probably heard about things like heat waves, wildfires, and floods happening around the world. Let's talk about why this is happening and who it affects the most.
But Fizza, what is climate change, and why is it making the weather so extreme?
Climate change is when the Earth's temperature changes over time. Right now, it's getting warmer because of something called global warming. This happens when gases like carbon dioxide and methane build up in the atmosphere and trap heat from the sun. These are called greenhouse gases.
Where do these gases come from?
They come from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas to make electricity, run cars, and power factories. Cutting down trees and farming also release gases that warm up the planet.
Is that why we're having more heat waves and wildfires?
Exactly, Inaya. As the planet warms up, we're seeing more extreme weather events. Let me explain a few. Heat waves, these are periods of very high temperatures. Global warming makes heat waves more common and intense, putting people and animals at risk. Wildfires, with higher temperatures and drier conditions, forests can catch fire more easily. We've seen major wildfires in places like Australia and California. Floods, as the planet warms, glaciers and ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise. This leads to more flooding in coastal areas. Also, warmer air can hold more water, which means heavier rainfall and floods.
Which countries are most affected by these disasters?
Some countries are hit harder by climate change than others, especially poorer ones that don't have the resources to protect themselves. Here are a few of the most impacted. Bangladesh, floods, storms, and rising sea levels are a big problem for people living in this low-lying country. Pakistan, it has experienced severe heat waves, floods, and droughts. Recently, floods affected millions of people, destroying homes and crops. India faces extreme heat waves, deadly floods, and air pollution, affecting millions of people. Philippines, this country is often hit by powerful typhoons and storms, which cause widespread destruction. This African country struggles with droughts and floods that impact farming and food supplies. Kenya, droughts are making it hard for people and animals to find water, affecting farming and wildlife. Even richer countries like the United States, Australia, and European nations face wildfires, hurricanes, and extreme heat.
So, is everyone on the planet affected by climate change?
Yes, everyone is affected, but in different ways. Some countries deal with more floods, others with more droughts or storms. Even though places like the Arctic are far away, the ice melting there affects all of us because it raises sea levels and changes weather patterns.
That sounds scary. Is there anything we can do to stop it?
Yes, there's hope. Here are some things we can all do to help slow down climate change. Save energy, turn off lights, electronics, and use less water. The less energy we use, the fewer fossil fuels are burned. Reduce, reuse, recycle. By creating less waste and recycling, we reduce pollution and save natural resources. Use clean energy, support renewable energy like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gases. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help cool the planet. Talk about climate change. Share what you've learned with friends and family. The more people know, the more we can all work together to make a difference. Thanks for learning about climate change with us today. Remember, each of us can make a difference, no matter how small our actions might seem. Together, we can help protect our planet from climate change and build a better future for everyone.
Let's do it.